Hanap mo ba ay paradise in the Philippines? I have the perfect 4 days and 3 nights itinerary for you in Coron, Palawan. Ito na ang sign mo to visit one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Paano nga ba makapunta sa Coron? The fastest way to get to Coron is by flying to Busuanga Airport, either from Manila, Clark, or Cebu. Mag-abang kayo always for piso sale sa Cebu Pacific para makamura kayo ng flight tickets. So, day 1 is the arrival. Paglapag niyo sa isla, may mga van na naghihintay sa labas. About 30 to 45 minutes papuntang Coron Town and the fare is around 250 to 300 per person. Saan ka naman pwedeng magstay sa Coron? The best area to stay in Coron is around the town proper. Dito kasi malapit lahat ng tours, restaurants, at nightlife. But you can also stay away from the center since may mga tricycles naman. After check-in, pwede nyo na akyatin ang Mount Tapias. Dito nyo makikita ang 360-degree view ng Coron Bay and one of the best sunsets in the Philippines. After nyong mapagod, you can reward yourself sa Makinit Hot Springs, isa sa mga saltwater hot springs sa buong mundo. Now, the highlight of Coron, the island hopping. For day 2, you can book the Island Hopping Tour A. Ito ang most popular island hopping package sa Coron. If you only have one time for one island tour in Coron, make it Tour A. It will bring you to the most iconic and breathtaking spots in Coron. For day 3 naman, you can do the Coron Island Escapade. Ito ang ultimate beach day, 2 white islands and 1 sandbar. It's the ultimate mix of swimming, snorkeling, and just basking under the sun. For day 4 naman, kung mamayang hapon pa ang flight nyo, you can do the Coron half-day town tour. Make sure to buy pasalubong like cashews and other local snacks na sikat sa Coron, Palawan. It was honestly the best trip for us kasi marami kaming nakilala and we get to party every night when we were there in Coron. So if you're ready for your next island escape, Coron, Palawan is waiting for you.